These sensor Brite lights we really like. They have this sensor on them, so when it's dark and you step in front of it, it lights up. We actually keep ours in the garage just because sometimes we come in and the light is shut out on us, or we've come out and we want to step down before the garage door opens, and it's just a good way to get some extra light. I've got one on every other step. It's plenty of light. So let me show you what that looks like. As you can see, it's dark in here, but these shine super bright. The battery life in them lasts a long time. We got months and months out of the first set of batteries. They're super easy to install, so you just lift it up to take it off. There are the batteries on the back. This is the plate. I don't even have it screwed in. It came with screws, but I just opted to use the stick up, and the stick up has done well. Then once you're done changing the batteries, you just slide it back on. It's good to go. It does have an on-off switch here, but we leave them on all the time. They go out on their own. They shine plenty of light, and I think they're great as far as helping us out so we don't miss any steps when we come out of the garage.